Welcome back to BIMandbeam. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest Revit and BIM tutorials. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for Revit users: georeferencing your Revit projects. We'll explore how to use a DWG survey file to ensure your project aligns with real-world coordinates, and how to create a Revit site that facilitates collaboration in a shared coordinates environment. Whether you're a seasoned Revit user or just getting started, understanding georeferencing is essential for accurate and efficient project management. After watching this video, you will be able to go from this to this. And before starting our tutorial, let's know together, when should we do the georeferencing of the project? In fact, it can be done either at the start of the project or during the project, because we did not receive the DWG survey file on time, or to correct the old georeferencing, or to change the project location. So to make our Revit project georeferenced, we need to have a georeferenced DWG survey file. So to make it easy for you, during the videos, we will represent the georeferenced model or file in green and the non-georeferenced in black. So let's jump right in and demystify the process together. So the first step is to create the Revit site file. A federated Revit site model is a combined model that integrates separate discipline-specific models, like architectural, structural, and MEP models, into one comprehensive representation of a building project. It enables collaborative work between different teams and facilitates shared coordinates, and enables the project to be georeferenced for accurate spatial positioning within real-world coordinates. And to make our Revit site model georeferenced, we need to import or link the DWG survey file and acquire the real coordinates from it. All what we need to have is a DWG survey file and a marked reference point. It can be an old building point, an old tree, etc. In our example, the reference point will be marked with red X. We will take a screenshot from its coordinates to compare it later with the project base point coordinates in Revit. Let's start creating our Revit site file. As we said earlier, it will be the federated model of all the disciplines. To create it, we can use the architectural Revit template, or you can use also your company Revit template. Let's jump in the site view, the view that have the project base point visible. If the view does not exist in your file, it's okay. You can make it visible by clicking on VV and searching for site, then project base point. Let's tag the coordinates of the project base point. It should be 0 because we did not yet imported the coordinates from the DWG file. But before linking the file, let's verify the units of the DWG file and the units of the Revit file. It's recommended that both files have the same units to avoid many problems while link the file into Revit. Now let's link the DWG survey file. We'll link it center to center. You can also choose the color of the file, black and white, or you can preserve the colors. For our case, we'll keep the colors, because we said the reference point will be marked in red. And here it is. The DWG file is now linked. Now let's move the DWG manually and place the reference point on the project base point. And here comes the magic. Go to Manage tab and click on Acquire Coordinates. Our Revit site file is now georeferenced. The last confirmation step is to compare the coordinates of the project base point with the screenshot that we have took earlier. The first chapter is done. In the next video, we will link our Revit models into the site file and finish the georeferencing. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.